roleplay contains violence, sexual harassments, and many more. And our roleplay is all about martial law. So, first scene. The first scene is a father who just got home from selling fish in the market and will be having a family dinner while watching the news.
Dito na ako.
Ayun! Tamang-tama! Kakatapos ka lang din maghanda ng hapunan. Halika na, kakain na tayo.
Oo nga, nagugas mo ng kamay at paa.
Wala.
Halika na.
Ayun tayo.
Anak, pakibuksan mo yung TV.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, we delve into the reasons behind the recent declarations of martial law. The government cites escalating security threats, civil unrest, and the need for decisive action for safeguard public safety. Authorities emphasize the temporary nature of these measures and pledge to restore normalcy as soon as the situation permits. Critics, however, question the extent of the declared emergency and call for transparency in decision-making process. As the nation grapples with these developments, we strive to provide you with the latest and most accurate information. This is Carl. Yes,
Wow.
The second scene was all about the gathering of the government officials and the military, the declaration of the martial law.
Morning to all of you. We are gathered here today with a very important announcement. I, as your duly elected President of the Republic of the Philippines, use this power to declare martial law which may be implemented with the military authorities, but still is a power embodied in the Constitution to protect the Republic of the Philippines and our democracy. Thank you.
While selling fish at the market, the military caught and imprisoned the fish vendor in the market, including her husband.
Bili na kayo. Bili na kayo. Mura na lang isda. Bili na kayo, sir. Sir, bili na kayo, sir. Mura na lang, sir. May quality, sir. Gusto niya, sir.
Ano tinitingin nyo? Lapin nyo mo yan!
Wag to, makawal lang kayo. Ito na lang ang alam buhay namin.
Huwag na kayong sumagot! Dalhin nyo mga yan!
Sir!
After the military caught and imprisoned the fish vendors, her wife got worried because it is about enough time for her husband to come home, but still haven't come back. Then the military came to announce that no one is allowed to go outside their house at 6 p.m.
Malfunction, malfunction. Hindi ko alam eh kung bakit pa siya hindi umuwi. Lumalalim na ang gabi at hindi pa siya umuwi. Nag-aalala rin ako.
Simula ngayon, wala nang lalabas ng bahay hanggang alas 6 ng gabi. Kung sino man ang lalabas, ay huhulihin.
Sir! Yung asawa ko po, hindi po nakaka-uwi. Kailangan ko po na tulong.
Lahat ng hindi sumunod sa aming pinagbabawal ay huhulihin.
Mukhang mga indang
Sumama ka sa akin!
Tapos yaksin ng mga sundalo ang anak, ang kanyang anak, ay binugbog ng mga sundalo ang mga sibilyan sapagkat napakaingay nito.
Bawal na kayo, sir. Pamangkin ako, sir.
Ang ingay nyo!
Ay, bakit? Huwag niyo puntak na yung tatay ko.
Hoy!
Kumain ng araw ninyo. Kung ayaw nyo, paputukin ko to. Tumakas kayo. Bilis! Bilis! Ay, bulok pala ito. Prank lang to.
Nasaan ikaw, Mira?
Ay, prank lang. Asan yung camera?
After the escape, they decided to come back home for to check their mother and to find shelter for the meantime.
Nabuwang na. Ay! Mahal! Saan kayo galing? Bakit ang dami niyong kasal?
Mahal, nahuli kami ng mga minutes sa brigado. Hindi rin namin alam kung bakit.
Ano? Anak! Ano nangyari kayo? Ayos na kami dahil malalain sa sakit.
Dapat, meron tayong gawin. Hindi dapat mapapatuloy ang pag-aabuso sa atin. Dapat natin gawin. Magprotesta tayo eh. Sa harap ng munisipyo.
Ngunit dapat din na tayo.
Wala na tayong magagawa dun. Kung ipapatuloy na natin at hayaan sila magpatuloy sa kanilang ginagawa, mamamatay na din tayo.
Mas mabuti lang meron tayong magawa para sa ating mata. Bago mamatay.
Sino sasama?
Sasamahan din namin. Kami na yung sasama.
Ikaw po yung si Papa. Gusto mo kita si Papa Revelation?
Ayan, Chair, para
Uy, maigo ang...
Ma'am, tira po ang bangkayan ng sige tumabal.
My son!
After the Vice President knew that his son was killed by the military, she filed a complaint at the President's office to revoke the martial law. They continued what they planned to protest outside the municipal school.
Itigil ang pagpatay! Itigil! 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 Itigil ang paguli sa mga inosenteng tao! Itigil! Itigil! Itigil!
Tingnan nyo naman! Pag-aalasan ito sa munisipyo. Kung ayaw nyo sa inyo ang isa pa mamatay.
Ititigil namin to! Ititigil niyo ang pagpatay sa mga inosenteng tao! Itigil! 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 Itigil!
Ay! Mga walang iya kayo! Ba't niyo pinatay yung tatay ko? Anong sinakayo?
mapapaligawan ba? Kaya kayo, oy. So,
Ano? The President and Vice President. The President and the Vice President's meeting.
Good morning, Mr. President. I would like to request the concealing the decree of martial law.
I'm sorry to tell you, but I cannot just take back decision I made with Mr. Vice President.
But there's a lot of people dying in the hands of this time.
I am fully aware to what's happening in the country right now. And I'm very sad to hear that about what happened. We will announce decision later.
Thank you, Mr. President.
The last C, the President approved the biggest request to our pen to repeal the martial law.
Morning, Honor. As of this moment, I declare the termination of martial law, affirming our commitment to the restoration, democracy process, and the well-being of our country.